Welcome to the next video of PARASSINIKADAVU Snake Park. So we can start our journey. Forward, we can see different varieties of plants. And you can observe this is it's called Vatta in Malayalam, and we are moving to Rajapuli. So it's a member of Garcinia indica, botanical name, Garcinia family. There we can see another different varieties of plants are there in this snake park. So this snake park is actually mostly famous for snakes, but we can see many other animals, small animals also here, and it's very varieties of plants are there. Let's see how much height is that. It's very good, nice place to visit. This is one snake, and the one you see how beautiful it's green in color, and it's on the top. And this is actually a very dangerous snake because when it is on the plants, we cannot able to identify it very easily. This is common crate and seen in homes. Oh, see what it is like a miniature of king cobra, and the designs are almost same, but the size is comparatively small, but it's very poisonous. You can all see in some old houses, and it's mostly seen in Kerala and many places of Kerala, especially the western region, Western Ghats, and for regions which are sites of forest and all. We can see the cat snakes. It's called cat snake. I don't know why it's called cat snake. Anything that features of a seed that is located in the corner of that region. Hump-nosed pit viper. See, it's it's also on the corner, and it's very difficult to see. It's not. I think that its nose is famous, and we cannot see. This is another snake. So this snake park is famous for many varieties of snakes. That's we are almost seeing many. See, one snake is inside that sand, and it's. I think it's mostly seen in the desert region, and we can able to identify only when there is a sand, and only it's we can see something in Discovery channels that only a portion of its tail or head is moving, and when an insect is attracted towards it, it will make it into prey. White eagle sand boa, it's you can see that inside that rock, and it's very difficult to say. One is outside. It's very nice to see all these things, and there's a snake inside this. This is an open pond. You can see, one snake is there. This almost seen in that paddy field and like that. This is almost non-poisonous. Don't touch. Check. And see that snake is moving, and it's coming towards us, and it lives in a water ecosystem, and this type of snakes are almost seen in the pond. You will be frightened by seeing this. See, they have created an ecosystem and put that snakes inside it. So there is a dry area inside the pond itself, so the snake will enter into that area only. That it is not able to come out of the pond because its surface are very small. So this is an eagle trying to fight with the snake, and so we know that most of the eagle eat snakes. Moving to the other section, we are seeing some different varieties of snakes, mostly python are there, and they have given their own ecosystems. So this python feeding with so we can see different varieties of snakes are mixed. So one python, one rat snake, and so the food is a chicken, small chicken are given. They are giving small chicken to this python. See how big this python. Not only one, there are many pythons inside. And see the size, how massive it is. So I think that this is the only place where you can see this type of python, and there may be some other zoos or parks, but this much amount of snakes, this is amazing, this is awesome, and this is a great place you can explore more on snakes. I think that's all this about me. They can really study more on snakes and those who love this type of creatures. I think that most of hate this type of creatures, but it's interesting to see and know more about. And I think that sometimes they may be taking some class on this type of snakes, and what are the things we want to take care of these snakes, and what we want to learn more about the snakes, and which are actually poisonous and which are not poisonous, and to know more about this type of snakes. It's really important to know more about this, and see another type of snakes, varieties of snakes are there, and sometimes we may get more refrigerated, and it's see that's chicken waste are there, and they are actually eating small chicken. This is probably a great thing, and we can see many snakes, and most of the visitors are very eager to see this type of thing. This is a small scripture. Oh, this is a small place where some of the scriptures are written, and this is a place to rest. Oh, we can see a person, a small statue, and a person is trying to collect fish or something from the pond. This is a small pond. Oh, this is a symbol of love. I think that this is in my tamarind. We can see this is a place where you can see many of the species of plants, especially wild varieties of plants, and at the same time common varieties of plants. And coming to the most expected section of the snake park is this is king cobra section. King cobra, and we know that king cobra is the most poisonous snakes in this world, and it is mostly seen in Western Ghats and all this type of regions where it's rich forest is seen, and we can only see in special ecosystem is needed for this. So they are trying to give this big space and a special ecosystem and created for this king cobra because of this huge size, and it's very highly poisonous. And you can see that this king cobra is it's once king cobra is it's coiled, and you can see that so how long it's how big it's like a tar, and you can see that this is very dangerous, and it can be able to lift its head on the it's into a height, and it's very poisonous. And I think that you have seen in many videos of snake masters. It's very poisonous, and it's very difficult to catch this type. Oh my God! It tries to lift its head, and actually I think it sleeping, and because of the voices of the crowd, it's left its sound. See how vigilant it is. How much it tries to sleep. During the sleep also it gives more attention to if there is any prey or something happening, and it's always very vigilant, and it attacks. That's why when we go to a forest or some places, these king cobras makes their nest and they will make this type of coils, and if you try to irritate them, they will surely attack, and it's very difficult to escape from the king cobra because it's very fast, it is very attractive, and it's very poisonous, and it's very difficult to escape from the king cobra. So we will be very much vigilant where we going to the forest or any places where this type of king cobras and seen. Then we are moving, and we can see that there are some places where we can take some rest, and so this is a pond or something like that. These are places where we can take some photos, and many species of plants. So seen, this is varieties of plants. They are maintained on passion fruit. These plants are very much maintained and cared in this area. We can see a big hen, or this big hen or peacock. Oh yeah, it's peacock, and peacock and data. This is Mangifera indica. So there are different of species of plants, different trees are also, we can see different trees there, and its features. So this is a resting area, and restrooms are, all the facilities are there, and this is actually a place we can rejuvenate and refresh, and this is very entertaining, and at the same time we can see many plants, many of the sketches, and we can enter into the sea. But this is also one of the famous attractions where many of the many fishes are there inside this. So this sea world is also the part of the snake park, and we can see many fishes there, and it's very interesting. See, they have written all the things about it, so it's very cool and refreshing. Then moving to the next, this is sky carp. Oh, see how beautifully they have arranged these fishes, and they all are aerated and giving that oxygen. This is orange sakura. This is amazing, this is very good, and this is very beautiful to see. That's a shrimp on the corner of, you can see one shrimp. And this is rosy bulb, how beautiful it is, and it is arranged in such a beautiful way, it's very good. Yeah, this is very nice, and we are moving to the next tiger barb. This is very beautiful, and we can see some of the pom-poms. And going to the next, rainbow shark. This is also a perfect place to see many fishes, different varieties of fishes, and different types of shallows. See how they are moved, and it's very cool. Then to the next, we are seeing the more fish. This is, oh, how beautiful it is. It's very nice. Then blue polar parrot. See what a different variety of names. It's actually very interesting. Oh, this is a tortoise, red-eared glider. Oh, we can see the two tortoises, and they're actually always moving, and the water is not at all clear. Oh, there is another small one also there. Three-spot gourami. This is gourami, and some other type of fish are also seen inside that. This is called albino tiger shark. So that means it's white in color, albino. I think that there are other tiger sharks which are gray in color. This is white in color, that's why it's called albino. Albino tinfoil barb. This is the barb. Wow, this is super. Look at its eyes. It's very nice to see. This is called the slender aspro. This is also very nice to see. I think that these are almost seen in some of the lakes and all. Oh, this is also a type of barb. Oh, see how movement they are. They are very fast. They are moving, and this is very beautiful to see. This is a type of shark. So there are many fishes. You can see it's very clear, and they are very beautiful. And it's actually very much refreshing. Oh, this is angelfish. Oh, this is awesome. This is great. And see how many angelfishes are there, and it's very beautiful. And we are moving to the cat. This is wild cat section. Jungle cat, this is all jungle cat, Bengal monitor. These are